AI can now write, test, and fix code, sometimes without human input. That has led many people to assume software jobs, and even software companies, are disappearing. In this video, I'll explain what AI coding agents actually threaten, what they clearly do not, and why the difference matters more than the technology itself. Recent advances in AI-assisted coding have changed how software is built. We now see systems that can generate entire applications, debug their own output, iterate until tests pass. That feels like a fundamental break from the past. So the question we're answering today is, what do AI coding agents really threaten, and what parts of software development remain firmly human? To define scope, this is not a claim that programmers are obsolete. It's not a forecast about the end of software companies. And it's not about hype-driven demonstrations. We're focusing on what is already happening in real development environments. By the end of this video, you'll understand where AI is genuinely disruptive, where it clearly isn't, and how this reshapes software economics without eliminating software itself. AI coding agents are effective at a specific category of work. They perform best when tasks are well-defined, modular, testable based on existing patterns. That includes writing boilerplate code, translating requirements into known frameworks, fixing syntax and logic errors, refactoring existing code, generating tests, and documentation. In these areas, AI doesn't just assist. It can often complete tasks end-to-end. That is a real shift. Equally important is what these systems do not do well. AI coding agents struggle when work requires ambiguous requirements, product judgment, trade-off decisions, long-term architectural thinking, accountability for outcomes. They don't decide what should be built, understand business priorities, own user experience, take responsibility when systems fail. Code is only one layer of software. AI handles the execution layer, not the ownership layer. So what is under pressure? AI coding agents threaten manual, repetitive coding tasks, entry-level implementation work, time-based billing for routine development, low differentiation software services. They also compress timelines. Features ship faster. Fewer people are needed for the same output. Teams get smaller, not non-existent. This doesn't end software. It changes the cost structure of creating it. Despite the headlines, several things remain firmly human-led. AI does not replace product vision, system architecture ownership, risk management, strategic decision-making, accountability to customers. In fact, as execution becomes cheaper, these roles become more valuable. The bottleneck shifts away from writing code and toward deciding what code is worth writing. AI coding agents don't eliminate software development. They eliminate friction. By automating execution, they lower costs, increase speed, reduce barriers to building. But they do not replace judgment, responsibility, or ownership. Understanding that distinction makes it much easier to see what's actually changing and what isn't. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. Your likes truly inspire us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. We hope you have a blessed day.